This box is a rare survivor. It was issued by the American News Company to hold their complete 15-volume set of Dickens' works as part of the packing material or for display in bookshops, so it was almost never kept. Inside are all of Dickens' classics in what the publisher called the Excelsior edition. Stamped on the green book cloth cover is a quote from Dickens describing it as the best edition of my books. You'll notice the extra gilt is only on the spine, where it would be visible in the box or on your bookshelf. The set AAS recently acquired was originally given to Helen S. Everson from Charlie, whom AAS catalogers have discovered was her brother, at Christmas in 1881. An advertisement from 1879 tells us Charlie would have paid $22.50 to get the extra cloth edition in a neat box. The books could also be purchased separately for $1.50 per volume, or the whole set could be bought in a leather-bound edition for $50. We would have happily paid $50 for this bit of literary and book history.